Today's topic is to find the unique values in the matrix. To solve this problem, we have the two methods. Method 1 using the set function and the list comprehension, and the method 2 using the set and the chain function. Starting from the first method, which is the set function. Let me give you a brief intro about the set function. What it does is it's going to convert all the individual elements of the list to the non-repeating element of the list, and the list comprehension is just going to iterate to each and every element of the list. So here in the list comprehension, what we have is for every element in our matrix, we are going to again use a for loop to extract the values in the list of the list, and then we have the set, which is set to have the non-repeating elements for it, and the list, which is just going to convert those elements into the list, and then we are storing it in the list one variable, and then we are showing it out.